Good morning everyone. So for today's video, we will be talking about the software as an educational resources. I am Bai Michaella Usman from BSED major in English 3A. So whenever people think about computers, they are most likely thinking about the computer machine, such as the one we can see or touch. Examples are television-like monitor screen, the keyboard to type on, the printer which produces copies of text and graphics material, and the computer housing called the box, which contains the electronic parts and circuits, such the central processing unit that receives or stores data and directs computer operations. The computer machine or hardware is naturally an attention getter. So, hardware refers to the physical and visible components of the system such as monitor, CPU, keyboard, and mouse. It's more difficult to realize, however, that the computer hardware can hardly be useful without the system or program that tells what the computer machine should do. This is what we call the software. The software refers to a set of instructions which enable the hardware to perform a specific task. So, hardware and software is a computer system that is divided into two categories. So why do we consider software as an educational resource? We consider it as an educational resource because it makes the studying much quicker and much easier for students and helps them to find what they need easily. So we consider it as an educational resource because it does not only be of help into students but also to teachers in order for them to have the easiest and the most appropriate teaching tools that can improve or develop the teaching strategies and learnings of the students. So there are two types of software. First is the system software. It controls a computer's internal functioning, chiefly through an operating system, and also controls such peripherals as monitors, printers, and storage devices. So in simple terms, system software is the operating that is found and bundled inside all computer machines. The second kind of software is the application software. It is a type of computer program that performs a specific personal, educational, and business function. Each application is designed to assist end users in accomplishing a variety of tasks, which may be related to productivity, creativity, or communication. So, in simple meaning, application software contains the system that commands the particular task and solve a particular problem. So the application software can maybe into two variety. First is the custom software. Custom software is made for specific tasks, often by large corporations. The second is the commercial software. It is packaged for personal computers that helps with a variety of tasks such as writing papers, calculating numbers, drawing graphs, playing games, and such.
Hi, I am Sanaira and Tando, the second reporters, and this is the continuation of the report of Michaella Usman. My topic is about Microsoft Windows. What is Microsoft Windows? Microsoft Windows, called Windows and Windows OS, Computer operating system, developed by Microsoft corporations to run personal computers. Microsoft Windows, also referred to as a program. Microsoft Windows, or Windows for short, is an operating environment between the user and the computer operating system. Also, it called a shell. It is a layer that creates the way the computer should work. Windows uses a colorful graphics interface called Gaia, that pronounced Gaia, that can be seen on the computer screen or monitor whenever the computer is turned on. So the user can work with on-screen pictures, icons, and suggestions menus. To arrive at the desired software, Windows 95 now improved with Windows 2003 and 2007 is a software designed for Microsoft Windows. Actually, Windows is in itself a self-contained operating system which provides: number one is user convenience. So just click a file name to retrieve data or click from program to program as easy as changing channels in your TV screen. Number two is a new look, fancy borders, smooth and streamlined text fonts. And number three is information enter. Windows puts all communications activities, example are email, download, etc., in a single screen icon. Adapt configures the computer or the internet. So for the last, plug and play configures the computer with added component such as for sound and videos.
Good afternoon, everyone. So today I will be discussing about Microsoft Windows. Microsoft Windows, or Windows, is an operating environment between the user and the computer operating system. It also called a shell because it is a layer that creates the way the computer should work. So, Windows designed and developed by Microsoft. Windows is a separate viewing area on a computer display screen in a system that allows multiple viewing areas as part of the graphical user interface. And also, Windows uses a colorful graphics interface called GUI, stands for Graphical User Interface, that can be seen on the computer screen or monitor whenever the computer is turned on. So as you can see, this is the example of graphical user interface. The user can work with on-screen pictures or icon and suggestions to the menus to arrive at the desired software. On the other hand, Windows is a self-contained operating system which provides user convenience. Just click a file name to retrieve data or click from program to program as easy as changing channels in your TV screen. Second, a new look. It provides fancy borders, smooth and streamlined text fonts. Third is Information Center. Windows puts all communications activities such as email, downloads, etc. in a single screen icon. Also adapts or configures the computer for the internet. And the last one is plug and play. Configures the computer with added components such as for sound and video. So, why Microsoft Windows is important? Because a computer needs some operating system to run our functions. Without any operating system, it's just useless no matter how powerful your system is. And on the other hand, Windows provides a way to store files, run software, play games, watch videos, and connect to the internet.